if you're in Asia and London right now. Say good, like just clean. Clean is a better way of me putting it, isn't it? Clean plays. Just straight follow through one way. QQQ, all right, QQQ 595. Break 595. We're moving lower. Same with us. Under 480s, holding under 480s, they will put in a new put support somewhere down here. It's just a matter of time, right? It's a matter of time. You got a long-term target of 23,200 by May 2026. May 26. Let me have a look. We can have a look at this together of what you're looking at. What did you say? What was your level? 23,200. 23,200 in here. These swing points. I think we'll move lower. Right? If we don't hold this, it's all about this shelf for me. If we trade under that shelf, we're coming right down to 22,500. That's my thinking. Under this, we move 22,500. I can see what you're looking at. 23,200, you said, right? In here. This little low volume node. I think we trade down to this. I think if we lose this, there's two options. Trap and go, or big pukey puke. I'd love big pukey puke. It would be fun to get big pukey puke. Both as a day trader and as a swing investor. Right, still... Right, be very careful. All right, they're not getting their way. If they don't get their way, we will come up here at some point. All right, if they keep selling their lows and they keep protecting it, the squeeze will happen. Just be aware of it. Do you think now's a good time to pick some swing long gold? Not yet. It's interesting. I mean, you're buying so high, man. But this can be failed follow through. If they don't bid here, I mean, you want this to hold for a session or two. If they don't bid there, the whole thing collapses. The whole thing collapses. All right, NQ's starting to play out now. I'm still looking for this same play. Get back to the right screen. There you go. Still looking for this play. Got to find a way of entering it now. Still holding on. You can see the importance of this, right? You can see the importance. The only way I'm going to have of entering it now is a squeeze that's sold or a breakdown that's built out. I can't just short in here now. I've had my goes, right? I've made my money. We can't just get short in the hole. Very risky. Here come the Bulls trying to squeeze it back up. It's possible we go in a range down here for a while. It is possible, even looking at the higher time frame, like the hourlies. All right, it's possible versus here we build out some liquidity, like we might do one of these. All right, it's very, very possible. Maybe they do it for a whole session. Ideally not, but it's very, very possible before we break lower to come and take out all these lows. You can see all these lows I'm looking at. All right, these are what I'm looking to break, and we break that, then every single player from, I mean, it'll be earlier than even November at this point. Yeah, it'll be every single player from October would be out the money. So it's a big level for them to try and protect. Here's the squeeze after not getting a breakdown that we talked about. Squeeze back up, and if they get through here, they've got a shot to come right the way up here. They have got this shot. I will tell you, if they get through this, I would not be playing this long today. If they get through this, they could come up and try and clean these out. It's possible. I will not be playing it. Just telling you what's possible. We're in a very bearish market, but Definitely. Some bears got caught down there at 91s and unders, right? And this, remember we talked about this player at 91s? Look at this. This player at 91s got caught. Most of it was sell side under. There is thick buying in here into 50s, so they would have to get over the grey box, and over the grey box they can have a go. At the moment, we're still rejecting that grey box. Right, we're going box to box. Lewis Hamilton, right? Box, 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 box. Once they build out enough here, they will make a decision. I would like to see it go down, as we know. Where's my TP? My TPs would be 24,370, 24,240, 24,150. Right, these white lines are my TPs. This is what I was looking for this morning. I was looking for a 455 point trade. Right, short off here. We had a couple goes. That's what I'm looking for today. That's not changing. That's still what I'm looking for. I'm gonna have to find a way of entering now, because it's knocked me out a little bit. Feels like it's coming now. So we're testing this area of 390. Remember where that seller got stuck. So if he gets back in the money and we start breaking, we can start having fun. Trading minis and micros. It all depends on which account. Today I was trading minis. I'm trading 150k TPT Pro account. All right. So, but if I'm trading like 50k accounts in this kind of market, I'm always trading micros anyway, 50k, but in this kind of market, you only need, and it makes me laugh. I'll tell you what, if some of you listening, you need to hear this. You guys moaning about, oh, you wanted end of day drawdown at Apex and it's not good enough, and then they give you the end of day drawdown, and then you're like, well, 250 is too much to make on one account. It's end of day drawdown, right? If you're watching guys who are like, I'm short here and I'm covering here, I'm short here and I'm covering here, yeah, they're not going to make that money, all right? You want to be understanding where the liquidity is. I'm short here, I'm covering some here, I'm looking for expansion in here, all right? One micro in that, end of day drawdown, stops break even, doesn't matter if it comes back. That will get you your money, right? That's how you need to be trading. That's how you need to be trading. This whole, oh, I'm taking profit at 8 ticks, shut the fuck up. It's fucking nonsense, this stuff. 8 tick profit and all this bollocks. Fuck off, man, with that stuff. Don't do that shit, man. That's not trading. That's how to like cause anxiety. Like, oh, but in and out. You can't do it. Your ATR today is 31 points. That's 120 ticks. How are you doing an 8 tick stop loss and take profit? All right, you can't do it. All right, so small sizes, understand how to trade where your liquidity is positioned for it. I don't get this 8 tick stuff, 10 tick. Oh, I'm taking profit, 10 tick. 10 ticks, mate. Fuck me, if I set an ATM of 10 ticks and press buy, it would knock me out instantly. Like, literally instantly. Like, look, we're looking for this is what I'm looking for today. I mean, 455 points is what I would like today. We've already achieved 100 points in that first move down. That's 400 ticks. Stick that 8 tick stuff up your ass. Like, don't listen to that stuff, guys. Like, learn to trade properly. You will make enough profit. I promise you, with end of day, you can just sit in it and let it work. Right, you need to zoom in and focus up now, because we're coming back to these same levels. So starting to see this node being developed down here. I'm gonna just double check this on an hourly. Yeah, right at the edge of the shelf. Honestly, if we lose the 80s, we should get down to 370s very, very quick. We're very thin now. All right, I'm watching this. I am zoomed in now to get a trade here. I think we're about to let go. We are about to let go. They're adding lower. We're going to snap. We're snapping. It's coming. They're adding lower. It's a coming. It's a coming. It's a coming. They're adding 50s now, so we're going to trade lower. Here we go. 60s and 50s coming. There we go. Just like that, because they added lower. They pulled everyone in. All right, I'm looking for an ad now. Can I get involved? Are you going to let me get involved anymore today now? Any pots to sell into now, please, please, before you take Globex, give me an opportunity before you take Globex. Before you take Globex, don't you go and run it. Give me an opportunity to slam your face. I want to fucking slam it. Here come the 50s, then they're going to go 44s, and then we're going to go pukies. Oh, God. Don't make me chase. Don't make me chase. Give me a pop-up. So there's the move into the 44s we just talked about. Need a slight pop-up to sell into here. Need a slight pop-up to sell into. Come and lift a bit before you fill this guy. I need you to pop up before. Come and lift up, please. No. Get up. Get up. Get up. I need to get involved in this. Get up, because we're about to go waterfall moment. Get up. 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 Oh, God. We might be about to let go here, folks. It might just about to crash here without me. Big seller coming in down here. Here you go. Here comes a crash. Here comes a crash. So you're going to get blue levels now. Oh, can't get involved. Can't get involved. All right, your level to watch 44s. Right, huge seller came in there. 230 lot came in there. And you are going to get waterfall moment without me. It's just looking for a pop to sell. It's going to come down. So you're looking for 400s, 360s, 240s, 157s. Right, I'm going to still look to get involved in this. I'm still trying to get involved in this if it will let me. I'll just be very careful of anything over 45s, 44s, where the big seller came in. So you want him to resell that level. He must resell that level, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. If he doesn't resell that level, you can go 75s pretty quick. Things should let go now. We should just take out all the pre-market lows at this point. You should trade right down into this now. As long as they reject 44s. As long as they're done playing silly games. Right, so you need to stay heavy versus this guy here. Alright, versus 44s. Over 44s, you're going to go 60s and 70s quick. But you need to stay heavy versus 44s. Otherwise, you get a little squeeze on the retracement for the wash. Still under 44s for now. They're going to come and retest it. Over that, like I said, over that, there's potential for a squeeze. They just defended it very well. You should now break down. It's a great retest of 44s there. They should now break down. You should see new lows here. They really should. Here you go. Here you go. So it gave you the opportunity there to add. I finally got a little piece on, but this is a very risky piece. Don't hold 20s. Seriously? Seriously, you can test him one more time after I added my first position on in this weakness? Don't punish me here. Don't punish me here. Come on, break lower. Here we go, folks. So short versus 44s here. Looking for blue box and below. Nice. I literally gave you the exact level, right? I gave you the exact level. Don't want to hear I don't know what to do and all that stuff when I hear it in chat. It frustrates me. Literally, I don't know anyone else giving you the exact level it would need to stay heavy focus for. Right, so here we go, folks. We're looking for 69s here. Woo! Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Yo, Jose, I did not realize you're going to be joining me at this stream.
Which way to the beach? That away, baby. That away, baby.
Don't mind me, Jose. I'm still trying to set up my stream during the daytime. I'm going to be like streaming at this hour roughly around this time for the next little bit because I have like night shifts at my job. So which means I can trade during the day like this.
You can pay yourself.
So right now, the two prop firm trading accounts I'm using is what was it?
40
Take Profit Trader and Lucid.
We're looking for this.
So
you can pay yourself into the top of this.
I'm trying to watch and confirm everyone's payout rules on this. And I think as long as I earn $250 profits for the next 2 days with Lucid, I think I'm gonna be able to request a $3,000 withdrawal because I got the 150K account.
Time for the game, and how we play it. I've got that in my head now. I've been talking about it for weeks. I've been talking about it for weeks. It's taken weeks to set up, man. They've they needed to trap more and more retail. It's taken weeks to set up, hasn't it? I've been talking about it. I have been talking about it for weeks. Very, very, very clear reason to move lower, right? We've talked about all
let me show you this
from November onwards.
Like my Lucid back office here.
All these reasons to move lower.
You see it? You see this?
Look at VIX. Look at VIX. VIX going 28. VIX might want 35s today. We talked about it pre-market. You're very close to that pre-market low here. We snapped this. All right, this is
everything is
TP
going.
Into
it's
this
just
area. So you must TP
myself and a few buddies are like kind of like getting hit with the silver positions right now because we're actually longing silver on the ETF.
Oh God! Imagine they let us keep that, eh? Imagine that would be 200
For some
points
reason,
here.
I cannot get my trading view window to appear here. I don't know why. Okay, hold on. Let me.
I'd watch 400s here because the last seller came in at 400. You really want them to stay heavy versus 400s. Otherwise, there is a chance for them to lift 430s for some imbalances. 420s, 430s on imbalances. So here's 400.
But Jose, I hope things are good with you, man.
Now. And if they go that 440 check, over 440, you got to cut. So here's the lift towards 420. We've got imbalances 420 and 430. So they're going to have a little check here to see if the guys who couldn't get in want to re-get in.
Hold on, Jose. I'll be right back. I'm just on a call right now, so it looks like I'm like talking to myself, but I'm just talking to my buddy. So let me just pause it here.
I have taken profit. What are you talking about? But I'm not. Oh, shut the fuck up, mate. I've taken some profit, but I'm not getting really greedy. I just understand what the market's trying to do. I'm not really greedy, am I? I'm not really greedy if I'm locking in on the way. Shut up, man. Get out of here. Let me trade how I trade, man. You take your 8 tick profit. Let me lock some in and try and hold a runner. For God's sake. What are you going to say if this comes down to here today? What are you going to say then? Am I greedy or I'm just smart? If we take this out, am I greedy or am I smart? Am I greedy or am I smart? I'd say I'm smart. Oh! 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 4-year-old man just fucking Kobe'd on you. I'm just fucking around with you lot. I'm just fucking around, guys. I'm just having a bit of fun. We're allowed to have a bit of fun. Jeez, I've had enough shit off the charts this year. Let's go,
right, I'm off the phone
here. Let's fucking do this.
I'm just trying to play around with the screen here.
Break it and wash. Let's break it and puke. Let's puke.
Let's see here. Can I get it looking like that?
Oh my gosh! Into the level. TP hits.
Let's lock it there. But it looks like my trading view is
or smart. Can we get 242s next?
Can you see that? Yeah, yeah, you can see that.
How's those 8 ticks serving you?
I don't think you need to see that as much.
Stop loss, 8 tick profit. All right, even this trade here is 70 points, right? Even that first trade there is 70 points. We're looking for 200 now. All right, I gave you the level, 44.
Oh, there you are, Miles. There you are.
It's very accurate at that level for you. It's going to be short versus 44. Is where the sellers came in, and it's exactly what we got. Right, very, very clear level. There's the big seller, there's the dunk, there's the retest, short versus him, as long as he stays there, which he does. And now we are accelerating, right? This is what we want to see.
Not gonna lie, it feels good to be trading gold again. I did not like how Apex kind of restricted you in terms of trading gold. I think it's still restricted right now. I'm not too sure, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to take any more trades right now because 5,005 was probably the bottom. Like, it's a psychological level right now. Yeah, based on the current session, like volume profile, it's a no trade zone right now. But there are definitely some sellers that got caught down here. And Jose, like, I have the book map, right? Like, I legit have the book map. I'm trying to force myself to look at the book map while I'm taking trades, but I really don't see what's the whole fuss about like book map right now, because I know it's real-time orders is flowing, but it doesn't break down like massive orders that are coming through on the gold on the gold instrument right now. Like, it's hard to read what you're seeing because there's so many small random orders going through. Like, you don't know who is controlling it, if it's just like several accounts putting like trades through. I like the big trade detector. Gotta really turn up the brightness of my own light here. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That should work. There we go. Looks like I'm tempted. I think these gold buys are, I think it might have just bottomed out and left. Yeah, this candle right here had a lot of volume. 9,000 orders got triggered here. Yeah, you know what? I'll take a buy. Might be a little late for these buys, but I took a small buy here. Kind of want to pad my Lucid account here. One little mini. Oh, I'm in profit. Let me just set my little take profit to break even. So I'm locking like $2 of profit here. $82 is what we're looking for. 82, no, yeah, around 82. That's when it previously broke.
That's 1 in a billion, wait, 1 in a trillion. A life that's been given, a life that's worth living. I don't wanna miss it, I'll get up and get it. Cause I got a vision, I got ambitions. I've got the energy, I'm on a mission. Passion and purpose, they light the ignition. I made a decision, so listen up. I'm here to take a stance. You cannot keep me down, digging from underground.
No, I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I might get stopped out, break even here. Yep, I'm out. I want to see how much there's any sort of like heat map at like 5,000. Was there really that much orders? Let's have a look. Let's see what happened here at the 5,000 area. There was a lot of orders. Okay. 183 contracts. It's 100,000 contracts. Let me see here. 41. Yeah. It's hitting that VWAP session. Yeah, the VWAP session right now, it's just touching it. Yeah, the cumulative volume delta, if I'm reading this right, it was at its worst in terms of negative contracts. Yeah, this 5-minute candle was the worst when it comes to the amount of shorts, and I don't think it's there. I think they're closing out some of their short positions right now. Looks like this pullback trade is might be done. Oh, they're gathering more shorts here. Yeah.
They let their work talk, it's never questioned. Don't put their time and energy to flexing. They watch and learn, everything's a lesson. They be looking for a ain't no runner up, gotta win it all like Michael.
80. Okay, let's try it. Gold buys to 80, 50, 80. No, let's 50, 80. There we go. Yeah, 50, 80. There's some liquidity there on the book map. I want to see if it'll actually try and reach there. Yeah, the 50, 80 came back. Yeah, 50, 80. Come on. You want to grab it? Just grab it and kick me out, please. I just want my TP. 50. Almost. Almost. Oh, oh, oh. I'm right there. I'm right there. 90 cents. Just hit my TP. Oh, I got stopped out. I put like my break even. $50.80 is right there. This might be the bottom. Like this might be the bottom for the session. Oh, it's looking like it's going to smash to the 50.80. Let's jump in. It's going to try and push us at 50.80. $84. Why? $78. Mm-mm.
you're never gonna make it. You're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man? You must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible. It's not probable. You're irresponsible. Too many obstacles. You gotta stop it, yo.
2 more minutes till the 15-minute candle closes. If it closes above the VWAP here for the session, it might be pretty good of a small little run to maybe like 51.27, but this is starting to hurt me hard. This is taking a while for me to average in. So I got 3 full-size contracts here. Trying to aim for 50.80 again. If it goes. Last minute for the 50-minute candle. Yeah, 50.80 is that weird ceiling they have going up there. But I think it's gonna go there. Ooh. Oh god, it's not good. Not good. Perfect. Come on, let's go. 50.80. Yeah, I'm not liking how it's rejecting here. Because this was the previous breakdown. So I'm not sure if that's holding now. Yeah, it looks like it's holding. Ah, this is not good.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never
there we go. All right.
My head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back. I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong. Tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets. Live with every breath. See my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens.
Oh yeah. This 74, there's a node there. For some reason, it's like whoever is slamming that ceiling there at 74, he's definitely holding. But if it breaks above 74, like it's gonna fly to 50.80 is what I'm looking for. 50.80. There we go. Manually closed it. Ooh. So I'm up $3,900 for the session today. And there it goes. It goes to 50.80. Ah, I should have just left my TP there. Hit the 50.80.
where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
But it's too late now, I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb, we would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We hook up in my car, driving so far, play you guitar, you'd show me your heart, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, open when it's gone, took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Mm-hmm.
It's too late now.
Oh, I'm going to be right back.
Everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
How
knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me. I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Taking back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, off his back. While I rap, bounce a step, throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Yes and not, that I'm right, yeah. Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking ask bitch. I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, playing into habits. So I will go capture it and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it. Put them on blast it. They will never last it. Don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic. This shit is democratic. They phone effects, yeah, bitch. I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper. So I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of a whole crowd. We lose control now. Y'all take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better grow yourself a sack. And tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now, a life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just figure it out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve. Failure ain't an option, so cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're discreet out, get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out, listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save, ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same, so be different, make a name,
like
huh?
A soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist stay modest. It's a long quest, I will not quit till 10,000 people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now, swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll take a bow, stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud, saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt,
just like
yeah.
a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting with a forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fall, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home. It's shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up. Hard words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section, and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected, and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, told me I won't make a name. But it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. Yeah. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran better than
Anybody else who tests me, I'm ready. Looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year. I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget. From nothing to something, I ain't bluffing. I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life. Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. Yo, what you got to lose? Yo, what you got to lose? Yo, what you got to lose? Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose? Got to lose, got to lose. 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 I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line sinks in underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line sinks in underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. Let's be honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her, man, go die for her, man. Cause you only have one life, one chance to do it. One chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this, fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it. Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. Yo, what you got to lose? Yo, what you got to lose? Yo, what you got to lose? Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose? Got to lose, got to lose. talk me down, but they can't stop the sound. Already on the ground, everything is growing faster than I can count. You ain't gonna stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound. Already on the ground, everything is growing faster than I can count.
All right, I'm back. Let's see this. What did I miss? Oh, wow. It did go there. What did gold do? So we had initial entries here trying to hit the 50-80. Went there. Kind of resisted. Look at that candle. Little wick there. These volume profiles here was pretty weak, so I guess it ran. Wow. Are you kidding me? Well, you know what? Let me just plot yesterday's volume here. Yesterday was Monday. Okay, so let's see what was the volume profile. Okay. Wow, point of control was up there. And it smashed right through it. Yeah, okay. So March 2nd, value area high. This is going to be yellow dotted. Perfect. Gonna lock that in. This is going to be purple dotted. March 2nd POC. Okay, let's remove those. Let's keep that volume profile there. As a reference, a lot of the action was here. This is supposed to be bullish of a volume profile here, but it just, like, this is pure manipulation now. Sorry, not manipulation. I believe what is going on as to why gold is like pulling back is it's a few things. You got a lot of deliveries and everything. You have a lot of geopolitical problems and everything. But really, because of the geopolitical problems, it's all in the equities. A lot of margin calls, right? People have to rotate their money out of stocks and hold cash due to margin requirements, not just on metals, but also on equities, okay? So if people are fully margined on buying stocks or NVIDIA, a 20%, is it a 20%? No. A 10% drop in any concentrated stocks that they have, they're most likely going to trigger a margin call if all these traders or investors are fully leveraged. Now, we know like a good percentage of accounts out there are not, they're not trading with cash. They are definitely using leverage. Now let's plot this. Why did it reject here? Out of all the price levels, why here? Is there a gap? You know what, let's put a daily gap here. Daily gap.
every time I meet your eyes. Amplified deep inside, once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I want in life.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me
But there's also another big gap right here too. So we're trading into another gap here. Yeah, my charts are gonna look pretty messy with all the labeling I'm doing. But I can't believe we hit one daily gap, which it did bounce from, and it hit another daily gap, and it couldn't hold. So overall, I'm thinking like this is gonna be bullish. Right, I think we got the flush out. It does not make sense for it to go past like 4,800. Like, they're still printing money. The new Fed chair is coming in. He's really all about lower interest rates, right? The government debt is still happening. We had how many government shutdowns? How many delays of like macroeconomics that was supposed to come out, but it didn't because of the government shutdown? I believe gold is setting a floor price of the 5,000. I don't know why 5,000 is such a psychological level. I don't know if it's because of the round number, but it's been having a hard time breaking below it. But if it does, it's probably going to be like a $200 drop before it pulls back. Now I can look at the daily volume and just see where most of the price transacted at, but I don't have that time right now. $57. Yeah. Actually, can I even show you guys? Let me see. You guys can't even see my Quant Tower platform. Oh, you can.
I'm honest and broken, I flow like the ocean. I feel you were chosen to fix me, I'm broken. My heart that you stolen, ayy. Stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave, chemistry feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you to touch me. On your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
Yeah, so this is my like Quant Tower account. Not too sure if you can see it. Yeah. Man, I don't know. I got at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock today, we're going to lock in a third day for my trading for Lucid. I got 2 more days after this, and see if I am going to be one of the fortunate people who gets to withdraw money from a prop firm account. I have yet to withdraw any money from a prop firm trading account yet. Okay. This has been a experiment going into 2026. I told myself that I'm going to focus on the prop firm trading. My main account, which is my MT5 account, got blown. And I told myself that I'm not going to refund that account until I withdraw like my profit from a prop firm trading, just to put my money where my mouth is. Because like I said, if anyone's getting into the prop firm trading, I don't have a promo code. I am not there yet. They're looking at my YouTube channel and my social media, and they're saying my following does not have enough influence. So if you're watching this later on, if you're not watching this in real time, please subscribe, hit the like button. I'm trying to get my own promo code so that I can actually earn some money for my efforts. But I am experimenting on myself by seeing if I can withdraw my first payout from any of these prop firms. If you can withdraw once at the maximum withdrawal, which for this account is $3,000, and I paid, what was it, $216 for this Lucid account? Was it $216? No, I think it was like $150. $150. If I pull out the first $3,000, I've already paid for the account. And all the 18 accounts that I blew on Apex, it's going to pay for that as well. And I'm going to be up overall. The mindset's different. Where it becomes a lifestyle change is if I'm at the 6th payout, not on one account. If I can max out 5 Lucid accounts, max out the withdrawals and everything, this is probably the fastest way for anyone to try and make 6 figures in the prop firm trading space. It's the best side hustle you can do. It just takes a whole lot of discipline. I've done the side hustle. Guys, trading is more difficult than running your own side hustle, but the effort of someone trying to get up or have the energy after working a 40 or 50 hour job, right? You got to find it in you to do that side hustle. And sometimes people do side hustles where it's passionate for them. Like they're doing something that they love to do. And that's why they find the energy to continue doing those side hustles. But lately, those side hustles, it's being saturated. It's like everybody is looking for the same thing, looking for something to make some money. But in the prop firm trading space, volume of people actually benefits the community. It doesn't actually saturate it, because if these prop firms needs these one-time fees or these evaluation fees in order to fund our withdrawals, and it just takes that 90% of the traders actually fail for the 10% to actually get the withdrawals approval, then so be it. But the market is massive and continues to grow. And I'm saying take advantage of the prop firm opportunities while it's still here, because we're entering the dark days when it comes to if your job is safe, what type of career you can get into. Is your education investment going to be safe? Because this AI doom and gloom, like job destroyer is here to stay, right? So I'm trying to make some money here. Now, I know you guys are seeing my quant tower, but let me show you my trading view, what I'm seeing here. Where's trading view? So this node right here, if this is what I think it is, if this node actually holds as a resistance, because it was, like, there's a lot of volume that happened here and it broke through it. Based on my quant tower around that price, let me see here. This price, let's see here, 125. Yeah, there was a lot of sells. There was a lot of sells that happened at 125, and that what broke it. And those sellers are pretty much hurting. They're feeling the squeeze right now. So they might actually step in here just to push it down, or the buyers might step in. But I shouldn't be trading anymore. I'm done. Right? I should be done. I'm not going to be trading anymore. I am going to sign off. I'm going to do some work behind the scenes and everything. I want to make sure that I can prove to myself that I'm on track to pulling out this $3,000 withdrawal. And I will catch you guys tomorrow hopefully I can stream a little bit earlier, but I'll catch you tomorrow. And if Jose, if you're hearing this and everything, I'm glad that I'm able to see you. Thank you for sticking around. I'll see you tomorrow, man.